The Tale of Naruto Uzumaki. Yes, that is a nice ring.
Alright guys, today's the day. I installed the coilovers on this car. I got Megan Racing coilovers. So at the moment, all of my suspension parts are Megan Racing. Like everything except for the rear lower control arm and the front camber arm. But those are way too expensive, probably not even gonna get it. Have everything else, that's good enough. But right now I'm on the way to the stand shop. I'll go get it installed over there. So I'm gonna see you guys over there. Alright guys, I forgot to record, but Keith already started. He took out the front lowering springs with the strut already, and he put the Megan Racing on. Yeah, at this point I should be sponsored by Megan Racing, bro. Every single part Megan Racing.
2 seconds later.
Here's the right. Oh my lord. Yeah. Jesus, that's dope though.
It's like OD too low or?
Yeah, I think especially on that side, I don't think I could turn.
12 seconds later.
The backs are on too, as you can see. I'll show you guys the fitment of the front, because last clip you saw it was like over here, but I made him raise it a little bit because the New York roads are fucked right now. But I don't know if you can see from here. There's the Megan Racing coilovers. So yeah, when he finishes up, I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm getting a wheel alignment as well. Right now, this is what it is. It's pretty messed up right now. That's what it looks like. But I'm told him to add as much camber as he can, because I don't have camber arms yet. So from the stock arms, this I think stock arms you could do. Don't quote me on this. I think -2 and -2 in the back. So yeah, let's see what happens. They finished, but it was way too low. So I came back, they're gonna raise it real quick. Also roll and pull my fender a little.
Nice face, on body, I'm really loving her features. Can't allow a nigga to spit game that's on the bleachers. Maybe if we would collab, I turn the student to the teacher. I'll follow you, be the leader.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, just for the as you guys saw, we put the coilovers on. Alright guys, as you saw, we put the coilovers on and it rides amazing. Before, had Teins with lowering springs, and over time the struts blew and it was not a good ride. Like I would hate driving this car, but now it actually rides so nice, like I want to drive this car. So for the fitment, it's -4 degrees. You could do this with stock arms. -4 in the front and -2 in the back, and it's pretty good. You do have to roll the fenders a little. So yeah, that's it. Right now we're going to Shotgun's house. Everybody's here. Everybody can show. Everybody's here. Look back, we got Wasim and then Famid on the side. So yeah, we're just going to cruise real quick and stay tuned.
My making the creature, yeah. You already know what's going down. Gotta pop it when I pull up in your town. We can keep it low and gotta make a sound. And act like nothing when your nigga come around. It's lit in Manhattan at night. Appealing like magic, the lights. The cameras, they flash and the diamonds, they dance and they ask, we just passing tonight. It's lit in Manhattan at night. Appealing like magic, the lights. The cameras, they flash and the diamonds, they...
Alright guys.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Here we are again. If it's not one thing, it's another. So as you know, we're going to Shotgun's house, everybody. And we're on the highway. And boom, construction. Yeah. And got a little flat. So yeah, we're in a gas station chilling, you know. So yeah.
Shout out to golf.
No. Bad boy.